Welcome family to another show. Today guys, I'm gonna make you a very healthy and refreshing juice using cucumber and kale. Both are low in calories but packing nutrients guys. You could do your own research, right? Very good for weight loss as well. So you want to cut up your cucumber, cut it up, remove some of the seeds, and then you're gonna cut it up in chunks. Look at that guys, looking nice and lovely, ready to blend, right? And I'm gonna use my NutriBullet to do this mix. Very fast and efficient. The link is in the description. You could go ahead and check out it guys. Yes, so cut up the cucumber, cut up your kale, and then I'm gonna use a little ginger, a little lemon, and a little bit of sugar, and you have yourself a nice refreshing juice. And guys, don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and do subscribe if you're not yet part of the family. You could subscribe and be a part of the family. All right. So here I have my cucumber, my kale, and now I'm gonna add a small bottle of water. Yeah. One tablespoon of ginger juice, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half of lemon juice. So you want to strain your juice. After blending, you strain your juice guys, and then you have yourself a refreshing glass of juice. You could serve it cold or you drink it just like it is.
BossLady Fayna, who that knocking at the window? Hey, 2 pot of knocks on your bingo. You know the style, BossLady Fayna.